How to unlock expert editing options with log videos on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, we tap on the more button or the quick options button right here. Then tap on settings. In camera settings, scroll down and go to the videos section and tap on advanced video options. In here, go down and make sure you turn on log. So tap on log, and then you can choose for pro video mode only or for both video and pro video modes. Here's to add an option to record in log format to the camera preview. Log format captures a wider dynamic range for more flexibility when editing. So with this mode, you can get pro level control over video color by recording in log format. And after tap on the back key, you go back to your camera, and here you can start recording in log format. This will give you more controls over the colors of your videos afterwards when you need to perform editing to your videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.